That's until 2:45. So we have potentially a dangerous storm right now moving through the Illinois County, and then the severe thunderstorm warning that was for Walworth and Rock County has been extended until 2:45. So we have that. Some non-severe storms are moving through the Green Bay area. Okay, so we have that in effect. So currently, so right around here, just zoom in here on the. So we have this area, which is so you have this area, and sorry if I am a bit distracted here. So we have currently that. That's for Elkhorn. Okay. And yes, we have about 27 tabs open on my Chromebook, but okay, so we are looking at a storm right now that's going through the Chicago metro area. And reports of looks like semis blown over in and around Chicago. So definitely we had a severe weather event there. Now this is just one of 3. So you could probably think of this as like a restaurant meal. You have your entree, you have your side, and then your meal. And the worst part of it for Wisconsin is going to be overnight. So that definitely will happen overnight and into tomorrow morning. And then we have so the area shaded in yellow is a severe thunderstorm warning. So if we go right around Elkhorn, Delavan, and Delavan Lake, you guys are the most likely to have damage from the storm. Whereas most of it... Okay, another severe thunderstorm warning. Looks like for another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for, looks like Waukegan, Arlington Heights, and Evanston. So that's with wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. So that is for that area. And then we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Johnson and Henry, Missouri. So we definitely have some severe thunderstorm warnings in effect there. Then another severe thunderstorm warning that, let's go to the area here. So this is the warned area for our viewing area right here. And then we'll go to in Cook County. So yeah, Vernon Hills, Waukegan, Des Plaines. So yeah, we definitely have some nasty weather. Okay, so the hail core right now is in southwestern Walworth County. So we could see a could see that. Okay, so the signature, it looks like, is just entering Darien in Walworth County, and that's the so yes, we do have significant hail right now moving through southwestern Walworth County, and then so yeah, if you're in the if you're near Darien, Delavan, Elkhorn, around Sharon, please go to your safe spot right now, because this is, we possibly could be talking golf ball size hail here. So get to your safe spots, seek shelter, and we'll definitely be on top of this. Okay, so right now, I'm just going to play the radar. Okay, so definitely if you're in the Sharon area, please seek shelter, because this is the core area right here. And I'm going to zoom in on the radar. So right around Sharon is the biggest chance of hail. Okay, so we have that. Get to the polls, because the worst of this is going to come possibly around. I'm sorry if you can't see me once in a while. I'm trying to do a voiceover on some of this so I can keep track. So MMSD. Okay, so Davenport, Iowa, possibly report of possibly baseball size hail. And I just spit. Okay. So yes, MMSD is urging people to conserve water right now. Okay, so severe thunderstorm warning continues for Oak Park, O'Hare, and Melrose Park. That is until 2:45, and this storm will contain golf ball size hail. So yes, we have been confirmed that we have so here's Davenport, it looks like. So we could get round 2 around 8 p.m. to 1 p.m. And then round 3 would be from 4 a.m. to 1 p.m. So this definitely okay, so most of the bad stuff is mostly around the Chicago metro area. Okay, so we have a new severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for, I think this is, yes, Walworth County, for Genoa City, Lake Geneva until 2:45. So let's go in on that. Okay, so yeah, right around, looks like Dodge Street, Madison Street, Lake Geneva, Genoa City. You are in the bullseye right now. So that is that area. But we're not done yet. They're definitely not done yet with this. But this round 1 looks like it'll mostly be south of Wisconsin. Okay, Norwood Park Township info of a siren possibly going off. Okay, so some municipalities will sound a siren in the event of a severe weather, like if it's like a huge wind gust or whatever, they will sound the tornado sirens. Um, some municipalities do that. Now, the other thing is something that's extremely rare for our area. Excuse me. Is a tornado emergency. And what that possibly is okay, so extreme south. So most of Walworth County right now is under a severe thunderstorm warning. And then the area that was just issued is around Lake Geneva. Looks like Spring Prairie. So all of Walworth County right now is under a severe thunderstorm warning. And then looks like in Illinois, we have Dixon, Rochelle, Amboy, and Walnut. So as we look forward, I think I'm gonna get rid of the news ones on my phone just a second. I don't want to. Because we're not reporting on the news, we're doing the weather, so so sorry if I'm kind of off right now. Now I do know that some schools. Okay, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for like Woodstock, Londonhurst, and Attock. So we'll take a look at that in a second. Okay. So let's take a look at the severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect for that area. Okay, so area of concern looks to be around Hunter, Blaine, Caledonia, Poplar Grove, Timberlane. So that's the area of concern around here. Manchester Road, County Line Road. So that's the main area of concern right around here. Okay, so we have, and right now we currently have a, now as we take a look here, um, so yes, so stay alert. We will be tracking these. I think once this moves over the lake, we could possibly see a severe thunderstorm warning, possibly for. Okay, so velocity and wind speed, which is basically what is the rotation and whatever in the atmosphere. Now, when we get severe thunderstorm warnings, there will be something called couplets, which means there's rotation in the storm. And if you see those couplets, seek shelter because it is likely that they could produce a tornado. And some of those tornadoes could be rather strong. So, yes, some of those could be rather strong. And then you have. Okay, another severe thunderstorm warning that continues. This storm could produce wind gusts of 70 miles per hour. So we have that in Illinois. I think as of right now, we have been mostly lucky that we haven't gotten the brunt of it. I don't think that will probably be necessary. It might not be the case later this afternoon and into tonight. Okay, so we have that. So we do have some stronger storms that are moving right now through. Looks like Davenport and Clinton, Iowa. So most of us are not seeing severe weather right now. That has mostly stayed south of us. It's we will not. That might not happen tonight. It's more likely our chance of severe weather in southeastern Wisconsin will happen later tonight around 8 p.m. into about the 1 o'clock hour. Okay. Okay. Thoughts on what might happen in New Berlin tonight, tomorrow? Okay. Okay. So I think that area right around here, that includes anything New Berlin. Um Most of the bad stuff is going to be south of I-94. So I'm gonna New Berlin. You probably will get some damaging winds and large hail because the brunt of it is gonna like I said, stay south of I-94. So that includes Eagle, Delavan, possibly Oconomowoc, Pewaukee. Yeah, definitely. So a lot of us in Wisconsin have not had a significant tornado, especially in our neck of the woods. Um, I think the strongest one we've had so far is it was an EF2. That was an Eagle. So we definitely have that area. Okay, I'm gonna ignore the special marine warning. Okay, so the severe threat for Waukegan, Arlington Heights, and Evanston is stay in your basements for about another 9 minutes. So yes, northeastern Waukesha County, we're not going to be in the bullseye at all. So yes, areas around Missouri, parts of Arkansas, eastern Iowa, northern Illinois is in the moderate risk for severe weather. Okay, so this is I'm going to go into detail. So basically, so, okay. This stream is probably not going to be, is only going to be like 40 minutes. Because I think after this passes, we will see the severe threat end for us right now. And then we get another batch from around 3 p.m. Okay, so Waukesha County is under a 5% risk of seeing a tornado. And then Jefferson, parts of Dodge, and then parts of Washington County, Ozaukee, Milwaukee County, and in northeastern Waukesha County, you're at a 2% risk right now of seeing a tornado. And then our risk right now is enhanced for, like I said, south of I-94, Jefferson, Walworth, Rock County, parts of Racine and Kenosha, and then a slight risk for the rest of the viewing area of southeastern Wisconsin. That does include Fond du Lac. Okay, so the hail core in Walworth has weakened, which will allow the warning to expire. And that was in Walworth County of that hail threat. So that's a good thing. I don't think we'll see any more warnings. But if it holds together, okay, so we're going to go back to our radar here. So basically, what happened is the hail core itself has split in two. So right around Lake Geneva, Delavan, okay, so Waukesha County, we are going to probably get a non-severe thunderstorm. So I wouldn't expect a severe thunderstorm warning for us. That threat has mostly stayed south. So basically, the hail core itself has been split in two. So let's go to that area. So right around this bullseye, you can see right here, it's split in two, but it's not severe. So that definitely is a good thing. Now, don't worry, we're not out of the woods yet. There's going to be plenty more of this very nasty thunderstorm moving through the area. Okay, so we have that. So basically, what we are trying to do is we're trying to give you advance warning. These storms, what's nice about newer technology is a lot of these storms we can predict months in advance or days in advance. Okay, so another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, and Northbrook until 3 o'clock. So we'll take a look at that. In the warned area. Okay, so severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County and Lake County. Wait a second. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, it looks like okay, that's not the one I'm looking for. Sorry. I want it to update, but it won't. Okay. Okay, so severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for northwestern Lake County and northern McHenry counties until 3 o'clock. So if you're in those areas, please seek shelter. Okay, so yes, that is the newest tornado warning. The one for Walworth County will be allowed to expire at 2:45. You have another 12 minutes. I'm gonna pull so we can. Okay, so the tornado. Just a second here. Okay, so a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. It looks like for severe thunderstorm warning that includes Kenosha, Mount Pleasant, and Pleasant Prairie. That's until 3:45. So that's another warning. We will update our pages here. Just a second. Right now on my Chromebook, I have like 50 tabs open. So bear with me here. Okay, so let's take a look at that warning. So the main threat. Okay, so it says a severe thunderstorm was located over Twin Lakes. And I just lost the stupid thing there. Um, okay, so let's go. Okay, so areas that are included in the warning, it looks like, include Wheatland, Pleasant Prairie, Twin Lakes, Burlington, Union Grove. But the worst of it looks to be around the Twin Lakes area. So if you're in that area, please seek shelter until the storm passes. And then the other one, the worst of it looks to be around Lake Geneva and Pell Lake, but it's moving slowly into the Wheatland area. Okay, so yes, as of right now, we have seen. Okay, so this is the area that we're concerned with, which is right around here. Now, I've been getting reports of possibly baseball size hail, it looks like, in Illinois. So okay, so I think once this passes like over the lake, the severe threat is over for now. But I wouldn't rule out it firing up again, and then we see more severe weather. It's possible that several areas could be hit more than once. Okay, so hail as large as 2 to 2.5 are now likely falling southeastern Lake County near Bangkok Burn. So if you're in that area, please seek shelter. In fact, the NWS Chicago said very damaging hailstorm, take cover now. So if you're in that area, now I think 2 inches of 2.5, that's like golf ball to baseball size hail. So definitely some very horrible hail in that area. So yeah, if you're now the other thing I want to do before we sign off after this live stream at about around 4 o'clock, um, is let's go over some tornado safety. If a tornado warning is issued, please take it seriously. Um, that particular, it's possible that some areas in Wisconsin could see very large tornadoes. But I think our chances are more isolated. Whereas around Illinois, they could get some very nasty tornadoes. So, what I asked you guys to do last night, and I hope you did it, is have a tornado drill. I asked you guys to practice your tornado safety precautions, make sure everyone's accounted for, and that in particular then will necessarily go into effect. I will be back in just a second. All right, so sorry if I'm breathing heavy. Live stream, kind of getting over bronchitis, so bear with me here. Okay, this one I didn't say. Western Cherry County in North Central Missouri, Eastern Carroll County, and West Saline County. That will expire in 30 minutes. Um, so, to meet severe criteria in southeastern Wisconsin, it needs to be about quarter size. Okay, so the tornado threat is mostly going to be, it looks like, around Chicago, Pontiac, around there. And also the other thing too is there's some areas that could see, like I said, repeated and keep getting hit. So there is a possibility of flash flooding tonight. Now the other thing, more likely we will get flash flooding because the ground right now in Wisconsin and a lot of other places is so saturated that produce it can't get rid of the water. So that area, okay, so another severe thunderstorm. This is what I've been saying about it repeating itself. Um, and areas getting hit over and over and over again. Okay, so So another severe thunderstorm warning looks like, unless it's the same one. Okay, so yes, Walworth is the new one. Okay, okay, so a tornado watch has been issued for Iowa, parts of Missouri, Illinois, and extreme southwestern Wisconsin. And I think it's spelled Illinois is wrong. Okay, I don't think I did. Now I don't know exactly if Wisconsin will get. More likely our tornado watch will come at night because of the potential possibly for severe weather. So that will come later tonight. But I wouldn't be surprised if probably within the next probably 15-20 minutes. I don't know if we'll get under a severe thunderstorm watch, but definitely be weather alert and weather aware. Okay, thunderstorms will increase in a 20 large hail damage and winds main hazard through a tornado or two is possible. A watch is likely in the next couple hours. So probably I would say around 5 o'clock for our viewing area and possibly even Madison that we will be under a tornado watch. Now, they might make it a tornado watch that goes beyond like 2 o'clock in the morning, and that is from the Storm Prediction Center. Um, okay, so what I'm actually gonna. Oh, okay. So I can keep you guys updated on any ongoing weather changes. I'm gonna put Fox Weather on my Roku. Okay, so the outlook looks like a more moderate risk for parts of Iowa, western Illinois, far southeast Oklahoma, and western Arkansas. And then for the rest of us, looks to be an enhanced risk. Okay, so the hail cores, it looks like, according to this, is is weakening as it gets closer to Wind Lake and Franklin. Okay, so okay, so right now, Brookfield. Brookfield, McWanago, and Waterford and Wind Lake, you have been issued a special weather statement, which means it's not quite at the severe limits. And then round 2 of our chances looks to start up around 5 to 7 p.m. So we will have another live stream then. Okay, so Racine, you could possibly get golf ball size hail. So let me see if I can pull up the ODOT camera for Racine. Okay, so let's see if we can pull up. Scene. Okay, I think I went too far. Okay, so this is Dane. That's unfortunate. Okay. I was hoping we could get a ODOT camera up for Racine. Doesn't look like we do. Let's try. Go next. Yeah, mostly Dane County. It's like Portage, Marathon. Okay, so here let's this is UW Parkside at the rec center. So let's see if we can see, because we could possibly get huge golf ball size hail in and around Racine. So hopefully we can. This is on WeatherBug at UW Parkside. Okay, so we are. Okay, so I am going to end this live stream. Now, if tornado warnings are issued, we'll definitely come back on. Anyway, that's it for this one, and we'll see you next time.